Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a product. This is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video. Let's get straight to it, shall we? This is a temporary RV power outlet, and you can hook this up to your power supplies at your home or wherever you might be, and then you can hook up your RV to it. Now, you probably do need an electrician to hook this up for you, unless you're very well versed in dropping power from your power box. So I do highly recommend, if you're going to use this, to have an electrician properly wire it for you. I do, unless you are very, very well versed. So, but with that being said, let's get on to it. This is a really nice outdoor weatherproof box. What I like about it, if you're an RVer, you know about this, it has an extra room for your plug-in. So that it can close after you plug your power strip in, and then it has this big open here too. So your big RV plug doesn't stop this from closing. A lot of times they're open this much. This will close all the way because of this big gap here, which I love. Holds open like that. It has all of the things you'd get in a normal RV park. You have your 50 amp, you have your 30 amp, and you have utilities with a GFCI, which is really nice. This is a really nice box. Of course, you have your circuit breaker for 50 amp, 30 amp, and your utility 110s. It also comes with a really great 110 extender with a 90 degree, so you can plug that in right here, and it causes less stress on the wires coming in, so they're not bent. Very nice. You could put like a power, a power strip on the end of that if you wanted to. Also lockable, so you can shut this and lock it down below here if you would like to. So if you're in the market for an RV outdoor outlet, temporary outlet for your RV, go out and get one of these today. This is really well built, very solid.